Hey guys, it's all things Apple here. I actually decided not to upload another video. I'm actually gonna not upload which video I should live with for 1 week now, because someone ruined it and told me off for it. Someone ruined it and then told me off and blamed it on me for saying I ruined it because he actually spoke when I was recording, but yeah. And he told me off because he ruined it, and he always thinks it's my fault whenever I'm doing something. But yeah, this is going to be a drop test of these two phones, Nokia 1015 and Alcatel 1054X. So yeah, that video is coming up now. Okay guys, so we've got the Alcatel 1054X right here. It's going in pain, but I don't give a shit. I'm gonna switch hands. I'm gonna change hands to hold the camera. I'm gonna change my camera holding hand. So yeah, Alcatel 1054X. Yeah, shit phone. Like these phones are. Nokia 1015, also a shit phone. Both of them actually have flashlights on them, which is good. So yeah, that's the 1015 one. That's the 1054X's one. On the 10 is the headphone jack, but on the 1015 that is replaced with the charging port. But yeah, let's turn them on. Let's do a real quick speed test here. See which one turns on first. Okay, so both things. We'll see which one boots up, starts up first. Okay, so that one turned on first. Okay, so this one has turned on first. And now the Alcatel one has turned on first with this sound. I didn't hear it. But yeah, that's kind of what the interface on the Alcatel one looks like. And that's what it looks like on the Nokia. So yeah. But it doesn't really matter, because that says 0-100 hours on the 1st of January 2017, and this says 6:35 in the evening on the 21st of January 2014. So yeah, that's probably the days they were manufactured. So yeah, I don't really give a shit. So yeah, we're gonna start off here with the Alcatel 1054X being slid off the table, and this is actually made of wood, but whatever. So yeah, let's go off. And they have survived them. It still works. You can see it's still working. And I don't want you guys seeing that, because I actually do have used this phone as my daily driver, as my daily driver before. Yeah, I know you probably think I'm sad, but still. Now with the Nokia 1015, I'll get that screen on. So yeah, the screen is now on. You can probably not see it very well, but it is in fact on right there. So let's go. I knew that would happen. But yeah, it is still working. Okay, so both phones survived that. And because my pocket is a bit higher than the table, you can see right there, you can see my daily driver right now in there. The Huawei P-Smart, it's terrible. And the daily driver I want to be with for the week, but I'm gonna let you decide. But yeah, the iPhone 4S, and why is that on? Oh well, I don't give a shit. I want it to stop working anyway. I don't give a shit if the screen's on, so yeah. Let's do pocket height with the Alcatel 1054X. Right, okay, so got here, pulling out the pocket. that was a fail. I'm gonna say that was a fail because it actually had it cushioned by my. It actually had it cushioned by my foot a bit, so I'm gonna move my foot out of the way. Okay, so it has actually survived, and yeah, you can see it is actually working. So now let's do the Nokia, which is obviously still working. So now I'm doing the Nokia, being out of the way. Okay, so the battery, so the back and the back came off and the battery came out. So yeah, let's pick it up, put it on the table. And it is still working. Okay, so with the Alcatel phone, we are now going to do ear height. You probably won't be able to see this, but I'll make it full down the camera like this. Yeah, I just have to take my word for it. It is actually by my ear right now, so yeah. Okay, so it has survived. It is still working, you can see right there. Oh, what is it doing? You can put back. Okay, so yeah. It is actually really hard to use this with paint pen all over it. That's actually not a paint pen. It's been used near paint, so yeah, it's got paint all over it. But yeah, it survived that. Nokia. I'm actually quite. I'm not actually scared at all for this to happen. So yeah, but I am scared I'm going to get told off for this. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. It is by my ear. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So you might not be able to see it. The phone's falling at this point, but yeah, you can see battery and everything has come out. Oh, shut up. If it comes in, right, it's there. You can see it out there. It's like a police rescue or something. So yep, let's see if the Nokia is actually still working. And it is. Nokia are a company. Nokia are the company infamous for their pretty much indestructible devices. So yeah, I would expect the Nokia to still be working. Right, as high as I can reach. This is probably going to make this phone splatter, and I am going to do this over here. I'm going to do this over here. But it is going to be fair because it's on the same type of material, so yeah. As high as I can reach. Oh my god, I'm going to get so told off. I'm going to get so told off for this. So yeah. Okay, so. It is actually still working. As high as I can reach. But yeah. As high as I can reach, it is still working. And by the way, we are still working with the buttons and the keypad, so yeah. The Nokia, still working. It's probably going to break at this point, but still. It is a Nokia 1015, which I don't know how tough it is, but it survived all of the other drops, so I'm going to expect it to survive this one, but the Nokia 3310 would survive this with that one. A light flash, it would survive it in a light flash. It would survive it in a light flash, so I'm going to get so told off. So yeah, Oh shit, I forgot to do, dang it, I forgot to do the countdown. But I did do the drop anyway. And I will do a proper one with the countdown, but it is actually. But yeah, it is still working. So yeah, I'm gonna get so told off. At 3, 2, 1. It hadn't even started up then. But yeah, as high as I can reach. Now we are going to just throw them onto there and see if they survive that. The Alcatel is still chugging. I'll just turn the Nokia back on. And the Nokia is still, the Alcatel is still chugging and the Nokia is still chugging. So, you can see the Nokia turning on. Alcatel first. I'll leave it over there, you can see where it landed. Now the Nokia, which is actually still working, so yeah. And I would have expected it to do that. So yeah, and I'm not even going to do I wasn't even going to do a countdown for those. So the Alcatel is in fact still working. And now, and yeah, as expected, the Nokia is still working. So yeah, you can see these devices are still going strong. You can expect to see these devices in the next destruction video, because we are going to bash them till the death, and we are going to keep count of how many videos they have survived. They have actually survived 1 video. And actually, the device that dies out first will be the device that dies out first will mark the end of the series. But yeah, and the device that does not break down first will be supreme. I predict it's going to be the Nokia. Actually, no, I don't know which one it's going to be, but I'm going to say it's going to be the Nokia because of how famous Nokia are for making tough devices. So yeah, be sure to follow me on Instagram at allthingsapple.iphone, and be sure to share this video with your friends and get them to subscribe and ring the notification bell. It really means a lot to me. And speaking of the subscribing and the notification bell, why don't you go and do the same? What are you waiting for? Go and hit the big red subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. It is as easy as that. So you have been watching All Things Apple, and I have been your host, and this is All Things Apple signing off.